cup of paralyzer, man. A couple lines of coke in the can. All these dumb bitches we can't stand. Let's get in a fight, that's the plan. And fuck all the chicks and get banned. Get on the stage and rip a guy you don't like. Tell him fuck shit ass, you're his buddy psych. Go and steal his toy, stomp on his trike. Little babies never tearing up the mic. How come the platform's missing all of its spikes? They got bikinis and they're topless everywhere. Cameras catching all the tattoos that are rare. Doing ecstasy, give me more pills, I don't care. Raver music going louder, take me there. Partying places in the city that aren't fair. All the sexy fucking hot bitch sluts. Show your titties, bring your G-string up your butt. All the porno getting heavy on the dance floor. Show your pussy, show your horny, then they all roar. All the sexy fucking hot bitch sluts. Bring your titties, stick your G-string up your butt. All the porno getting heavy on the dance floor. Show your pussy, show your horny, then they all roar. Flash your webcam video on your cell phone. Tell your friends that's what you do when you're stoned. Ripped on acid doing porno with your sex moan. $30 for the movie, brought everything you own. Let's party till the cops tell us go home. Get a bunch of extra hours on loan. Smoke a giant laced up joint in a cone. All the sex at the party has a song said. Don't screw this shit up or you're dead. There's a million high people need their drugs fed. Shoot a bunch of crazy terrorists with some hot lead. Cut a pile of protesters to see if they bled. Burn some rubber through some gangsters leaving tire tread. Buy some hookers and then sex them up on their bed. All the sexy fucking hot bitch sluts. Bring your titties, stick your G-string up your butt. All the porno getting heavy on the dance floor. Show your pussy, show your horny, then they all roar. All the sexy fucking hot bitch sluts. Bring your titties, stick your G-string up your butt. All the porno getting heavy on the dance floor. Show your pussy, show your horny, then they all roar. Let's tear the world apart and see if it explodes. Drive 1,000 miles an hour like you own the road. With your arm out the window, sunburn till it corrodes. Drink a 60-pounder of vodka, get in an argument. Lose everything you have, don't know where your life went. Speakers going louder, it's time for the story. I'm here for the night, I got a liberty. Everybody is fucked, that's their category. By watching the lights, it's a quick decision. It's motherfuck every fucker and give them double vision. So that's twice the amount for whatever live is on. He started flipping out, they'll have to give him an exorcism. Sex, sluts, and drugs are on the other side. They're fucking in the attic, no I just lied. There's porno through the door, they went outside. Clothes are falling off in this party place. All the girls are showing skin for the sexy race. What happened here all night, I can barely trace. All the sexy fucking hot bitch sluts. Bring your titties, stick your G-string up your butt. All the porno getting heavy